Mr. Sabia, when I say the word activist, what do you see in your mind's eye? If you were to put the word next to a definition, if I gave it to you in a sentence and said, okay, I am an activist for pads. I am an activist for pads. In that sentence, what does the word activist mean? I'm not talking about an activator like relaxer, where they put it in your hand and it relaxes. No, I need answers because we're sitting here with a problem. And it pains me to have to go through trivial things such as definitions. The question sits with you and says, what is an activist?
Chair, the definition of activist. I'm actually looking for a proper English to put it. Activist. An activist is someone that activizes activities. Well, it has to do with activities that someone does that show he's being active. I'll make an example of people that go to a Virgin Active. They become active there, and as they go along, you can see that the activities that happen there make them activists. Thank you, Chair.